Hello guys. Today we will make a very delicious pizza in our house, a pizza that no food chain has made of this quality till date. Its special feature is that no ready-made pizza crust is used, but fresh dough and flour will be prepared directly by kneading the pizza. For pizza dough, for 3 regular-size pizzas 1 kilogram flour 1 pack yeast lukewarm water for kneading usually takes up to 500 milliliters 1.5 teaspoons salt 1 teaspoon sugar mix all the ingredients and knead with water. Pizza toppings, olives, jalapenos, mushrooms, onions and capsicum as much as you like. Cheddar and mozzarella cheese. For chicken topping, ½ kg boneless chicken cut in tiny pieces, ½ teaspoon ginger paste, ½ teaspoon garlic paste, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon crushed chili. Recipe: mix all the ingredients in the chicken and marinate for half an hour. In a pan, stir-fry the marinated chicken in 3 tablespoon oil. Recipe for pizza sauce: in a saucepan, add 1 tablespoon oil, add ½ teaspoon garlic paste and ½ teaspoon onion paste and tomato puree, then add 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon crushed chili, ½ teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon mix herbs. Cool till it forms the consistency of paste. Preheat the oven. Put pizza sauce and all the toppings and cheese over the pizza dough. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you like the recipe, please support us by subscribing and like the watching video. We can share such unique recipes for you. Thanks for watching.